Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Hope you've all been well. Today we are going to make a super easy, simple and fast recipe. We are going to make fermented garlic using the healing power of lemon as well as fresh thyme in order to both spice up the recipe and use the healing benefits of all three ingredients together, as well as the addition of sea salt and water in order to ferment these ingredients and allow them to be better digested and to use their combining benefits together. You would need one sterilized jar as well as 1 teaspoon of sea salt and 1 cup of warm water. We are also using some thyme, some fresh thyme. You can use dried, you can also use rosemary, you can use mint, you can use whatever herb you are comfortable with using that will combine well with garlic, as well as you will also need some sliced lemon. So both the thyme and the lemon serve as extra aroma, extra flavor, extra enhancers in terms of the benefits. All three ingredients as well as the salt will combine beautifully and we will create a beautiful ferment. So I'm starting to put all the ingredients together. Then I will also put on the lid, shake it a little bit so the sea salt can infuse into the water, and then I just want to put pressure on the ingredients as well as on the garlic to push down as much as possible so the garlic doesn't float, because if the garlic or any other ingredient floats, it will create bacteria, the ferment will go bad. So unfortunately I don't have the tool used here, so I'm just using an extra lid from a smaller jar just to place on top of the ferment, and then I will end it with putting the lid on and letting it ferment in a warm, dark place for 2 to 3 days. So as soon as the 2-3 days is finished, I will open up the jar and I will see bubbles. These bubbles are a great sign that the ferment has worked beautifully, and they are also an indicator of the fabulous good bacteria, the probiotics that we really need to nourish our gut. I hope you found this recipe helpful. Let me know if you're interested in more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.